We've just done 200 mile up to Berwick-on-Tweed, and I'm just having a quick look for the ceramic coating. It's rained all the way here, and I just want to check, see how good paintwork looks. There's a few flies stuck to it and bits and bats and some dirty marks, but he assures me, the guy that's done it, that this will come straight off just with a wash. So we'll have a quick look and see what you think. It's a review I'm going to do later on, and if I can, I'm going to get up to his garage and have a look at it. There's a few bits stuck to it, as you can see. I'm just wiping off the plastics, it looks good. All the rain on the windscreen was absolutely brilliant. It's absolutely spotless, is the windscreen. The best things I've ever seen for the rain, actually. And the paintwork looks absolutely immaculate. We'll give it a few days. I'm not going to wash it, and see how it's like after a week. Hello, welcome back, and this is going to be the ceramic video that I've been going to do for 6 months. I've just been waiting for it to get dirty enough. It's literally took 6 months to get this far, and as you can see, front half has been coated with ceramic and back half's not. So I'll give you a quick turn around of how dirty it is. The windows have also been done with the plastic protectors. Let's see how they come. I'll show you some dirt on it just to get a close-up on things. There you go, that's all front end that's dirty. You can see plenty on it. It's not been done for at least 6 months, well, since it was new. As you can see, look, this back end's not been done, so it'll be good. These windows have all been done with plastic protector. That one has. It's very hard to see on here, but it is really, really dirty. There you go, look, all the way around. It's first real good break we've had in weather, so I can clean it. There you go. White, what a lovely colour to clean. So as you can see, this half round here, down here, has all been ceramic coated. I'll leave a link to the place where it was done. I can't give you any prices because the prices all vary in price, and different vans, different carry-ons, but we'll see if it's been worth its weight. See you in a bit, bye. Right, well, I'll give it a first rinse over. I've just used just clean cold water to wash it off, and as it stands now, I'm not really impressed with it coating. It's done now muck standard. I'll show you a coated part, and then I'll show you the non-coated. As you can see, it's still all there. Windscreen is absolutely brilliant, right, it just beads off. I've got to admit it is good as well, which you'll see in another clip on this video. But yeah, this is non-treated. As you can see, it's a little bit mucky, but there's no difference between treated and non-treated as it stands. But like I said, he did say it's got to be soapy water, and I reckon just by washing it with a jet wash, it should come up like it's just been polished. So we will find out. But it's not looking good at this point. Here you go. This is treated bit. I'm trying to get some close up. It is quite good actually, to be fair. Still a couple of bits of bugs stuck on it. But then again, to be fair, this is untreated side, and that's probably just as good. I will say something though, the plastic coating stuff's looking quite good actually at the minute. Like I say, it's just had a rinse. Then I've put some pH neutral shampoos on it. You can see this side, one side at a time obviously. And as you see, let it have a quick soak in, and then it's go round with mitt, rinse off, and we'll see where we're at. We'll have another look in a minute. Just another quick note as well is, we did have glass and window ceramic coat, I think I mentioned it. They've actually come up a little bit better. But this is other product I've been using, which is Rain X, and there's a guy on internet, Gadget John. I think I'll put a link into his channel because he's a quite good guy actually, knows a lot of stuff. He puts this down his toilet, and he says it just helps things slip down a little bit better. I have done the windows, and I think the windows are better. I'll show you a product now. There you go. I bought it from internet. I think it got off eBay, not very expensive, about £9. They'll do lots of windows and lots of toilet bowls. Also, the ceramic coating I believe is called G-Tech. I will find out for you and I'll put a link to the guy who did it all as well. Asphalt paintwork, I'm not saying don't have it done, but it's quite good in some places where it does help when it has its final wipe off. I've shampooed it and washed it and it is coming off, and some of the bug marks are still coming off. For the non-coated part, it's not bad, it's still not bad. I only had the front done because that's where all the bugs and everything collect and stick. And it has kind of worked to an extent, so what my verdict is if you can afford it, have it done. But it's not, if you clean your van every week, I don't think it's going to be a big issue. Save money. I don't think it is actually worth what it is if you're a van cleaner. If you do it twice a year like me, it might be a bonus. Might be worth doing. Take care. Just a quick update on the Rain-X product. This window, you can see it's going to be very hard to get it on. Has been treated with the Rain-X. One or two little watermarks, I'd call them, there and there. Nothing special. That one's really good. It's got a mark there, not just wiping off. Absolutely brilliant. This window around here has not been done with Rain-X, and as you can see, it has got quite a lot of marks on it. So as a product review, I actually like that stuff. I'm going to use it again. In fact, I'm going to put it on now. Bye.